Symbaloo Pro Plus accounts for schools and districts can also add additional administrators to their account. This can be found under the Workspace settings, under Workspace Administrators. From this page, you can add new administrators to your account that will be able to help manage your workspace with you. They'll be able to add users, create workspaces, or add or manage the groups within your workspace as well. To invite these new administrators, click the green button that says Invite New Administrators. You'll be prompted to enter a name and email address for the administrator you'd like to add, and then click the green button that says Send Invite. The user will receive an email address inviting them to join your workspace. Keep in mind that these workspace administrators are specific to the workspace that you're working in. So for this example, it would be District 37. However, I have multiple workspaces under this account, and the administrators are not the same for each workspace. If I were to navigate to this Thomas School example, we'll see that the workspace administrators are different. This allows you to keep your workspaces separate and assign specific administrators for different schools, classrooms, or districts. If you have any questions about working with administrators within your Symbaloo Pro account, please let us know at help.symbaloo.com. Thanks for using Symbaloo.